Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by eliminating simple causes fast. First, force close YouTube or your browser and reopen it. This clears transient UI glitches. Next, clear cache and cookies for YouTube or use the app storage settings so stale assets don't stick. Then open an incognito window or disable extensions. Ad blockers often alter the navigation bar. Once done, sign out of your Google account and sign back in to reload personalized UI elements and sync settings. Now dive into the layout specifics. Go to YouTube settings and confirm theme, language, and playback options aren't forcing a compact or experimental layout. Make sure your browser or YouTube app is up to date. Outdated clients can misrender navigation. If comfortable, open Developer Tools, Ctrl+Shift+I, to check for console errors or missing asset 404, as these reveal broken scripts that control the bar. If you find errors, apply the update or reinstall to replace damaged files and retry. Finish by forcing a complete refresh. Do a hard reload Ctrl+F5 or clear app data and relaunch the YouTube app. This rebuilds UI components from scratch. Reset any Chrome flags or site-specific permissions you've changed back to default so no experimental feature breaks the navigation. Finally, sign back in and verify the bar. If it still fails, try YouTube on another device or a different network to determine whether the problem is local or account-side. That isolation is the fastest troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.